Hey folks, we're here to show you the new T-PAK 550-3 complete wash down mobile unit for sealing bags of chicken, meat, anything. A lot of times we just do this in marinated product. What we have here is a flat conveyor, comes on wheels. All these two units are attached to this conveyor. We have a compression belt, we have a bag sealer, we have a trimmer here. This particular one, I have a hot air bag sealer. You can put a band sealer, whichever sealer you want on this unit. Best thing is it comes on wheels, move it around the plant, move it in and out. You're doing a lot of wash down, high pressure, you might want to get it out of the way. And then also, these units are all motorized on motorized pedestals. So with the touch of a button, you go up, you go down. Same with the sealer, up, down. This unit also has a back guide, a bag top guide, and a back guide. What we do is try to make a trough to put the bag in. Bag comes down, it's going to get compressed. And then here we have this bar here. This is to keep your marinade out of the seal area. A lot of these guys you have to have virgin bags, no marinade in the seal area, otherwise the bag will not seal. So that's why we have this bar here. Again, we create a trough. We have the bar here, feeds in, get your nice virgin bag inside the sealer. Another thing we have here, and this is for maintenance folks only can do this, all right, is that we have now 3 drives in this system. We have 1 in the sealer, and we have 2 here for these 2 conveyor units. Now, when we change this drive in the sealer, these drives will follow. So, with the turn of 1 knob, right, you have all three units are all synced together. We think that's pretty great. Okay, so again, you can only have maintenance folks do this, nobody else, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open our back cabinet here. And we're gonna open this so I can show you the other 2 drives. And you put your key in to override. And we override. Now, this is the power for both to the sealer, all right? So you have to turn this box on first before you can turn the sealer on. Go over here. Turn the sealer on. So I've got it at 35 feet. Right now I'm just going to change it to 44. And if I walk over here, these 2 drives are at 44 as I just turned that on, okay? So again, this one is when you change and all 3 drives will follow. That means all these 3 things are all synced together, 1 speed. So we'll run a bag through and show you how the system works. Okay, so we got the bag coming in, getting smashed down right now, going through the sealer, through the trimmer, and then through the sealer. I don't have the jet flow on. It has a compressed air line. So, as you can see, we got all the air out, nice flat bag. So your pack out would be great. Okay, going through our trimmer here. And again, look at that. No air in it, nice compressed bag. Thanks for watching our video. We hope we have an opportunity to work with you. Take care now.